Welcome everyone. Today we will try to plot input and output characteristics of a common base NPN transistor. It is a very simple way to plot the input and output characteristics can be done in this presentation. So as per the name suggests, common base NPN transistor. So this one is the basically the simple structure of the common base NPN transistor. So first I am going to make the common base NPN transistor. So what we are doing? So I am writing this one as a N P N, okay, and this side is one of the terminal, the another one is terminal, and the other terminal is this one. So this one is our emitter, base and collector. So for the time being we are saying this transistor is operating in the active region. This transistor is operating in the active region. For the active region, the base emitter junction, the base emitter junction will be our forward bias, forward biased, okay, and the another junction, that is our base and collector junction, will be our reverse bias. Okay, so now what I am doing, so already discussed, this should be our forward bias. So I am just making this thing diagram, and this should be our reverse bias. So it is somehow okay, and this voltage I am writing as VBE, and this voltage is nothing but simply VCB. Okay, so this one is forward bias, or in a very simple way we can say that this is nothing but simply a two back-to-back diode connected in series. Okay, so now what we have to do for the input characteristics, so this one is nothing but simply our emitter current I, okay, and this one is our I base current, and this current will be our collector current IC. So now next what I am saying, for the input characteristics we have to plot the input characteristics. So input characteristics, and in this input characteristics we have to plot the input current. Okay, so in that case our input current is nothing but simply our IE. The input current is our IE, this one. Okay, the input current is our IE, this one, IE, our input current. Okay, and next the voltage, the other parameter, that is input characteristics. So IE is the one thing, and the other one we have to plot the input. For the input characteristic we need the voltage. So the input voltage will be our VBE. Okay, so basically what we are doing, just think about, there is two diode D1 and D2. So what we are, for the input characteristics, we are taking this diode as a somehow this D1 type of thing, and one part is connected to the positive end and another one is connected to the negative side. So this one is VB and this diode current is nothing but simply IE. So we have to plot the IE VBE relationship. So this one is nothing but simply our simple forward biased characteristics of a diode. So if we plot this one, this the IE should be ammeter current in milliampere and this VBE in volt. So we are very familiar with the diode characteristics. So if we have to plot, then it is somehow simple diode characteristics, and this some cut-in voltage for the, if this one is a silicon diode, so 0.7 volt. So this one is the input characteristics of common base BJT. Okay, it is very simple. Now one more thing we can say, if we increasing this VBE, if we are increasing this VCB, there will be an effect of early voltage. Okay, so in the next video I will try to cover the early voltage. So this will, the effective base width will decrease. Okay, so this width is somehow decreased and the effective base width decrease, and the recombination will be much faster. Recombination will be done in this small region, and that will cause a large number of emitter currents. So even if we increase the VCV, the higher value of VCB, the curve will be like that. Okay, I will try to cover the what we can say the early voltage in the next video, but not today. I will try to cover the mischaracteristic, how to plot. So this one is the input characteristics, which is easily done by using the concept of simple diode characteristics. Now for the output characteristics. Okay, for the output characteristics, what we have to do? For output characteristics, again output, so we have to take the output current, that is our output current will be our what? IC. So we can write IC, and the other thing, output voltage. Output voltage is our nothing but simply VCB. So the output characteristics will be the plot between IC and VCB. So what we have to do, again you just think in terms of diode. So what we are doing, this one is somehow a diode, okay, and output characteristics, and this one is a reverse bias. Okay, so reverse bias, so this one is okay. This should be positive one, so make it larger plate, somehow like that. Okay, so this one is nothing but simply some current IC and this voltage is VCB. So this will give you the reverse characteristics of a diode. Okay, for this reverse characteristics of the diode, so we very familiar with the reverse characteristics of a diode. I am making this reverse characteristics of a diode. It is very simple, is the diode characteristic. I am just okay. Reverse characteristics. Okay, so somehow this one is our diode characteristics ID and VD. So now the reverse characteristics will start from this side. So in that case, we can plot, if we make it for the C in milliampere and V C B in volt. So it will start from this side and go like that. Okay, so I am giving one more, because this IC we are very familiar with this relationship, alpha times of IE plus some reverse saturation current ICBO. Okay, so when this IE is nearly 0, there will be some constant current like saturation current, that is our ICBO. So this one is somehow this one. Okay, my picture is not clear. Okay, so when what I am saying, this IE is nearly IC is nearly equals to IE. Okay, IC equals to nearly IE because alpha value approaches to 1. Okay, so this value will be ICBO. This value will be ICBO. Okay, in the next one, when if we increasing the value of IE, okay, this collector current increases, so it will look like somehow. So for different value of IE, we can say for IE for 0 and this I, suppose 5 milliampere and IE 10 milliampere. So this one is the output characteristics of a common base BJT, common base NPN transistor, we can say. So basically this one is just if you reverse it, okay, then it comes somehow very similar to this input output characteristics. So this one is the simple representation of the input output characteristics. Thank you for watching. So this one is one of the very easy way to plot the common base input output characteristics for the NPN transistor. Hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching.